Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage, and today we're checking out this heater by Paraheeter. Now this is a 1500 watt portable heater and it does come with the stand. And this thing's pretty nice. I wanted a second heater for the garage and this is what I decided on. Let's get into it. Up front, the reason I got this one is that stand because I wanted to be able to move this one around the garage. The one that I have that's mounted to the wall, it's obviously stagnant and I want one that I can move to different areas if I need it. And just to show you that this thing is working, right now I just had this thermometer outside. It's 52 degrees here. I'm going to put this thermometer in front of the heater and we'll see what this gets to while we're talking. I know this isn't the most scientific test, but this will definitely give you an idea of what this thing can do. And I'll tell you right now, I can feel the heat coming off this. The heater itself comes in two separate boxes. You get the heater with the remote and the mounts in one, and then you get the stand in the other. This remote is pretty basic, low, high. It's got two settings and it works pretty much the way it should. The high should be 1500 watts and the low is about 750 watts. The mounting system is pretty simple and you're not limited to just using that stand. You could mount these on the wall and then those same brackets mount this. And what it is they're basically nubs that lock it into place and then you put a screw through the center and everything holds the way you want it to. And the stand itself is also adjustable. You could put the legs out a little bit flatter and really get this thing up to about 75 inches, or you can get it as low as 41 inches. So you're able to get this exactly where you want it anytime you need some heat. How does this work? Well, you can see I have the thermometer. It's about a couple feet away from this heater. And let's go ahead and just carry this forward. And you can see that this is at 81 degrees right now. And that's just sitting there for a few minutes. So this thing really pushes out some heat. But what you want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yes, I would buy this again. I had a second heater in here and it works great. It's mounted on the wall. What I like about this one is the portability. So if I wanted to heat right here, I can do that. If I want to heat in front of the garage door, I can do that. I can really move this thing around. It's really the plug location that limits me more than anything else. I like the fact that it's very simple and easy to use. It's got two settings, high and low. I like the mounting system on this because I can mount it on this pole or I can mount it on the wall or ceiling. So there's versatility here. And overall, it's just a great product. The one thing I will warn you about is these little foam brackets. These foam brackets come in between these fins here just to keep everything safe and stable so it doesn't break in shipping. Just make sure you take them out before you turn the heater on. This guy did it this time. But even doing that, this heater still works great. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.